Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the headlight bulbs in a 2014 Nissan Altima. Procedures will be similar for most Altima models from 2013 to 2018, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. We'll be accessing the headlight bulbs through the wheel wells, so turn the steering wheel to give yourself a little more room to work. Use a flathead screwdriver or trim tool to remove the push clips, 2 screws, and a bolt underneath the vehicle in front of the wheel well securing the splash guard. Once you remove the fasteners, move the splash guard to the side. With the splash guard out of the way, you'll see the back of your headlight bulbs. Press in on the lock tab to detach the bulb from the wiring harness. Grip the back of the bulb you need to change and turn it counterclockwise to disengage the tab securing it. As you position your new bulb, make sure not to touch it with your bare fingers. Oil or grease from your hands can create hot spots on the glass and cause it to burn out prematurely. Press the base of the bulb into the wiring harness until you hear it snap into place. Lift the bulb into its opening and turn it clockwise to engage the tabs that secure it. Before reattaching the splash guard in the wheel well, turn your lights on to make sure the bulb is working. If everything looks good, use the fasteners you removed earlier to secure the splash guard. Headlight bulbs should always be changed in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.